Welcome to snowy Baltimore, and today's Wednesday vid, where I am not letting this snow stop me. I'm gonna get out, practice my shooting, probably not my dodging. My shot on the run is gonna look like it's in slow motion, but hey, this powder makes good practice for crease dives. Walking here is not as easy as I anticipated. The struggle is real here as a professional lacrosse player. I've probably gone about 200 feet, felt like 200,000 yards. I feel like I'm in The Revenant. Here's the moment where you get to your 2 chain nets and you quickly realize this doesn't feel like a 6-foot net. I'm elevated on the snow. I'm not gonna unhook those chains. I'm just gonna shoot right here. Building a crease, part 1. Crease. Oh. Make sure you shovel the inside the crease too. Otherwise your balls will disappear. Not those balls. That's what she said. Let's do some shooting on the run, huh? Crease dives. Oh, it's so tiring. No! Pipes! So guys, a few things we learned today. Number 1, playing lacrosse in the snow is probably the best workout you can have. Not the most accurate, but I am tired. Number 2, make sure you bring a shovel or you will lose a lot of balls. Number 3, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Check out a video above. Paul Rabil experience stuff I shared at the US Lacrosse Convention. More every single week. Check back next Wednesday. See you guys then. I should have brought my sled. Damn it.